Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Tiny Tuesday, my friends. I decided for the month of May, I'm trying to hit some goals. So I pulled a little bit more money from my account, whatever I could spare, for Tiny Tuesday and Thirsty Thursdays, which this week I'm going to try to do, and then hopefully next week as well. I'd like to get some saving done, trying to hit my kiddo's birthday for June. Also trying to save enough cash to take some time off in June to be with my kids during their birthday. You know, of course, end of this month is the end of school, and then summer begins. So what I decided to do is I made a Tiny Tuesday, Thirsty Thursday binder that only includes savings challenges freebies from Batty Bankroll. So I love all of her items. I've said it before, and I think that this was one of those things that was really encouraging. I was thinking to do her savings challenges for my birthday, but then I thought, no, we got some saving we got to do, and so we're going to go ahead and jump into that. What are we stuffing? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have 30 bucks here today, and so we need to mix some of these bills in here. See, that way we can get saving. Let's see here. All right, so what we'll do is we'll roll the dice, and that savings challenge is going to get 2 bills, and they're not numbered, so hopefully this goes kind of smooth. It's a little later in the day than I typically like to film. I like to film during the day when I'm more alert, but as it stands, I need to be recording when I can. I need to be saving as much as I can, so we're going to do this. All right, we got our dice here, got our cash and our savings challenges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Making sure because sometimes it's not what I think. All right, number 2. Number 2. Number 5. Number 1. Number 2. Number 4. Is this number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 6. And then we have $1 left going into number 3. Awesome sauce. Yay! So much saving in this little bit of time together. All right, now what I need to do is figure out how I want to do these savings challenges. I was thinking $1 each because I have more money to be saved back here, but I think, maybe we'll do, let's do $2. I'm going to write whatever amount I decide because I have a tendency to forget, but we're going to do $2. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so we'll color in 2 circles. Perfect. And you'll see kind of these savings challenge have, they're all women, but they have these really nice look to them. And I think that might be why I like them so much. And I will link her channel down below. Oh, this one got a lot. So we're definitely going to do $2 for this one. We'll probably end up doing $2 for each. That's not writing on there. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it on here. So let's see. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we need to color in 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Yay! Making progress. And I also was thinking if I am over in my kiddo's birthday, then I will make sure to put the extra funds to their birthday dinners. I would like to take them both out for dinner for their birthdays, but we'll see. All right, so we got $4 in the next savings challenge, and I think we're just going to do $2 here. Where's my yellow? All right, so 2 and 4. All right, and our next savings challenge is getting $2. So light blue. Let me try to get some. Got a mess over here. I'm trying to find some colors that kind of go with it. I have a darker blue, but 1 and 2. And I think I was going to wait to film Thursday tomorrow, but I think I'm going to go ahead and film it tonight, so it'll be the same vibe, nighttime vibe, and I hope that's okay with me. Bulk recording, it works best for me that way. We have $2 here, and what color should we do? Let's do green, money green. Oh, this is like a light green. It doesn't matter. $2. Oh, can you see that? Guess we're gonna have to outline it. Okay. This is so exciting. Seeing this progress already. I'm glad I decided to just go for it. I was thinking, oh man, I didn't want to bring more videos this month, but I mean, deep down, I think I do. I really like recording. I really like interacting with you guys, and I really like seeing the progress being made. $2 here. We need to definitely increase. Number 6 needs some love. All right, look at us go. Look at us go. Perfect, perfect. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I do truly appreciate each and every one of you. We will bring this binder back out in just a moment. Well, you won't know it's just a moment. I'll see you again on Thursday for Thirsty Thursdays. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye, guys.